If you've ever had difficulty finding a subject to paint or understanding how to choose a subject and transform that subject into a painting, this is a massive life for you. And what I want to do this Monday, the 26th of January, is take you on a journey through history, art history, and I want to show you something that I find absolutely extraordinary. This is something that I discovered that I find amazingly transformative. If we go through time, we look at Singer Sargent, we look at William Turner, we look at Monet, we look at Vermeer, we look at Cézanne, we look at many artists, many extremely famous artists today. They were considered ordinary. All through the beginning of their career, they were considered ordinary until they found their secret subject. And what happens is they're on this sort of natural path. And then when they tap into a particular subject, whoop, the progress of their paintings is vertical. And that's where they became considered masters and, amazing painters forever. And then I realized how fundamental that was, because a subject isn't just a subject. It's what carries absolutely everything in a painting, even if it's an abstract. And so this Monday, the 26th of January, I want to take you on this path to show you how artists in the past, how they accidentally found this magic subject and how it transformed their painting. And by studying it, I realized that it was always the same. They were always on the same journey. These are different artists at different times painting different subjects in different ways, and they found the same path. And then I thought, okay, so if we apply this path, then do we get the same results? So I started painting a subject of Venice that I painted over and over and over again. You probably have seen many of them. And this subject is my subject that I worked to understand how subject actually plays this role. And so I want to do this week is obviously paint a painting of Venice to show you this method, to walk you through this method, because this method changed my career. It transformed my career just as it did the others, going from that simple slope where you're improving to that vertical growth point. It's astounding, and it's also astoundingly simple. So that's what I want to show you this Monday, the 26th of January. It's fascinating. Honestly, it's absolutely fascinating. So if you want to join me, please do. You can paint along. And if you want to paint along, then just remember that you'll get a critique of your painting done during the live. You can also just sit there, watch and listen and ask questions and enjoy the live, because we have lots of fun. However, if you can't make it on Monday, then just by inscribing, you'll also get the link to the live, which you can watch over and over and over again. So I shall say, come to this live. It's huge. I have so much to say on this, and it is so cool. It is really something that I'm extremely passionate about. So I shall say happy painting, and I'll see you on the 26th.